headed to the capital of Saudi Arabia. Riyadh. So we're gonna take you to Riyadh with us. So let's go. Please do like,
share and subscribe.
So Omairaah, you have your Eid holidays, and that's why we are we have this vacation and we are going to Riyadh. So are you excited to explore the capital city of Saudi Arabia? Yeah? Okay. So basically, what do you want to visit in Riyadh? What kind of place are you expecting in Riyadh?
Safari Land.
Safari Land. A play area. Okay, other than that?
Pool.
Okay, so you're excited about the resort we'll be staying in? Okay, we'll be staying in at Fraser Suites in Riyadh. Okay, so let's go. Can you please give us a room tour at Fraser Suites, Riyadh?
Come in, because this door is heavy.
All right, so let's close the door. Okay. This is the TV on this side, and this is the bed. Wow. Yeah. Big bed.
This is the bed.
And just beside this is this, the dressing area. Oh, nice. Closets. These are all open cupboards. Okay.
And we
Two
also
hand
have
clothes.
iron.
Okay, so there's a sliding door. Okay.
Let me get up.
Okay. All right, so let's check out the other side of the room.
This is the bed.
Okay.
This is our trolley. This is another TV. And
This is the second TV here, and
And this is the couch.
this is the couch, and this is the
the last thing.
center table, and this is a small dining table and a kitchenette. Nice.
I like it. But
There's a
only-
microwave and some glasses, cups, crockery, and there's a washing area here.
Mama, but there's only two
Okay,
seats in
and-
bed. Am I?
Okay, and here is the dining table. Nice.
And look, Mama.
Yes, you want to show something?
Look, there's a space and you can even get in.
Wow. You have started exploring spaces to move in and out.
Mama, look. Here's another place.
Yes. You like the room?
Yes.
It's quite spacious, right? So we are loving the room at Fraser Suites, Riyadh. right?
But Mama, can I have a question?
Yes, tell me.
Why do they have this wall over here?
Just a bit of separation between the bedroom and the kitchenette.
What kind of funny shapes?
Okay. So you like your room
Yes.
at
Mama,
Fraser Suites?
Mama,
Yes.
Please be quick because can't you hear a noise?
This is the washroom. So let's just check out the washroom. This is the bathtub. And that's me in the mirror. Okay. So that's the... Alright, so that's the washroom. Omairaa, you like the washroom? You like the room?
Yes.
Don't go into the tub.
There's no water, Mama. I'm just staying.
Okay.
Perfect.
Here is a locker. Alright. Okay. Nice. So friends, here we are at Fraser Suites Riyadh. As you just saw our room, it's a room with a kitchenette. It's a studio room. We're loving the room here, and a big thumbs up to Fraser Suites. Till now our experience with the room, the cleanliness and everything is good. So let's just, we're really excited to explore the capital city, Riyadh, and we're gonna take you along. And now we're headed to Starbucks that's just on the ground floor of this hotel. So we're gonna go there because we all are starving. So let's go and let's take you along. Have a good day. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you've not yet checked out the Dubai vlogs, please go back and check out the Dubai vlogs. Bye bye friends.